Wealth is not just about making money, it is about knowing how to grow and protect it. The rich follow strategies that most people never hear about. These secrets are not taught in schools or shared with the public. They are passed down among the wealthy, helping them build and maintain financial power. While most people work for money, the rich make money work for them. They understand systems, loopholes, and opportunities that others overlook. Their success is not based on luck, it is based on knowledge, discipline, and strategic decisions. If you want to break free from financial struggles, you need to learn these hidden rules. Let us reveal some of the wealth secrets the rich keep quiet. The power of ownership, assets over salary. The rich do not rely on a paycheck. Instead, they focus on owning assets that generate income. They buy real estate, stocks, and businesses that keep making money even when they are not working. Most people trade time for money, working jobs that stop paying when they stop working. The wealthy build streams of passive income that continue flowing no matter what. They understand that financial freedom comes from owning things that appreciate in value. This is why they invest in real estate, patents, royalties, and businesses that grow over time. Instead of spending on liabilities that drain wealth, they acquire assets that create it. The hidden power of tax strategies. The rich do not just make money, they keep it. They use legal tax strategies that allow them to pay far less than the average person. They set up businesses, trusts, and offshore accounts to protect their wealth. They hire top accountants to find deductions, credits, and loopholes that most people do not know exist. While ordinary people pay high taxes on their income, the wealthy structure their earnings in a way that minimizes tax liability. They invest in tax-advantaged accounts, real estate tax benefits, and business deductions. Understanding tax laws is one of the biggest secrets of maintaining wealth. Leveraging other people's money, the rich rarely use their own money to build wealth. Instead, they use other people's money, whether it is from banks, investors, or business partners. They take strategic loans to invest in profitable ventures that generate high returns. Instead of saving up for years to buy a property, they take a mortgage and let rental income pay for it. They use business credit to scale their companies without touching their savings. While most people fear debt, the wealthy understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt makes you richer, while bad debt makes you poorer. Learning how to leverage money correctly is a game changer. The wealth mindset, thinking long term. The wealthy think in decades, not months. They make decisions based on where they want to be in the future, not just on short-term comfort. While most people chase quick money, the rich focus on long-term growth. They invest early, compound their earnings, and patiently wait for their wealth to multiply. They do not panic when markets crash. They see it as an opportunity to buy more assets at a discount. They understand that wealth is built over time, not overnight. By thinking ahead and delaying gratification, they create a financial empire that lasts for generations. Building multiple income streams, the rich never depend on one source of income. They create multiple streams of money that protect them from financial instability. If one income source fails, they have others to rely on. They make money from businesses, stocks, real estate, royalties, and investments. They diversify their earnings so they are never at risk of losing everything at once. While most people rely on a single paycheck, the wealthy ensure they have income coming from different directions. This strategy not only increases wealth, but also provides financial security. The secret of private investments, some of the most profitable opportunities are not available to the public. The rich invest in private equity, venture capital, and exclusive deals before they reach the mainstream. By the time an investment becomes popular, they have already made their profits. They get access to early-stage companies, special funds, and insider opportunities that others never hear about. They network with other wealthy individuals, joining investment clubs and private groups. This allows them to multiply their wealth in ways that are hidden from the general public. The secrets of the rich are not about working harder. They are about working smarter. They use strategies that most people never learn, allowing them to grow and protect their wealth. If you want to break free from financial struggles, start applying these principles in your life. Knowledge is power, but action is what makes the difference. If you found this valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and financial freedom.